I bought these two little things which called pressed powder. It's something new for me and I would like to try it with you together. So let's try with the first one. Name is Blue Sky and Cloud Oil Control pressed powder, but it's not the powder we used to know. For me it's the first time when I'm gonna use this type of powder. So it's really something new, I could say, and it's like a jelly somehow, but it says that it gives that oil control effect, so we're gonna see how does it work. So they recommend to use this sponge which is already included in the box, and I have already my foundation on and we're gonna start. So I don't know actually how exactly should I do it, press like this or, but let's do like this. I'm just pressing and it works as it seems, because it reduces this shine, this oily shine. So here is on and here is not. Second one is violet powder. And this one also like a jelly. Okay, but it's thick. This one I feel like more sticky than the previous one. But the thing is that there is some of my foundation which is not really good. So what can I say? This one I didn't like much because it left some spots here, so it just added my foundation, which we can see here. And the second one, blue one, is a bit better, so still I would prefer the loose powder. Let me know if you ever tried the pressed powder like this. Let me know in the comments and share your opinion, please. Maybe it didn't work just with me. So see you!